Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use VLC Media Player from the basics, so even if you've never used it before, you'll be able to get started with confidence. A VLC is a free media player that supports almost every popular audio and video format, so let's jump right in. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. Once it launches, you'll see the main interface with a menu bar at the top and a large playback area in the center. To play a video or audio file, simply click Media, then choose Open File and select the file you want to play. You can also drag and drop a file directly into the VLC window. Once your media starts playing, use the controls at the bottom to play, pause, skip forward, or adjust the volume. You can also switch to full screen mode for a better viewing experience by clicking the full screen button or double-clicking the video. If you want more features, explore the menus at the top. You can add subtitles, change the playback speed, adjust audio settings, or customize video effects. VLC includes many useful tools without requiring any extra software. You can also create playlists by opening multiple media files or folders, making it easy to watch videos or listen to music continuously. Take a few minutes to explore the settings, and you'll discover even more helpful options. And that's it. You now know the basics of using VLC Media Player. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.